Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can attach a label on your DHL parcel. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. There are some guidelines regarding this. So the first thing regarding a label, that the label is in a printed form and not in a handwritten form. Once you have the printed form of label, make sure that you've already made a package. After that, you need to fix the shipment label securely on top of the surface of the shipment box. This will help the customer care to keep your shipment in an upright position as much as possible during transit. So ensure that the label is wholly visible and on the surface and that the label does not cover any seams. Make sure that you have a clear printed form. Make sure that all of the information are mentioned in the printed label. All you need to do is make sure that you have provided all of the necessary information on your printed label. So this way you can attach a label on your DHL parcel. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.